Let's Test is making water quality testing an easy experience in off-grid locations around the world. Our solution is cost-efficient and easy-to-use equipment. Test for E. coli and other fecal indicator bacteria anywhere with this innovative on-the-go testing set, which is compliant with international standards. Everything you need is packed into one compact system, easy to carry and to set up. Perfect when tables are out of reach, if needed, with direct technical support for end users. Fewer steps, less material. You're always equipped for quick performance. Incubate on the go with the world's only electricity-free incubator, activated by the sun, hot water, or a heating mat, saving you time while ensuring reliable results. No more broken parts. Our products are built to last, empowering you to act when others can't. Save up to 80% of your running costs compared to other systems, thanks to compatibility with standard consumables. Find detailed information about the LETZTEST Portable MiBi Water Lab at LETZTEST.com. Made in Germany and a trusted member of the German Water Partnership, LETZTEST. Enjoy off-grid water testing.